Within the channel selector, in the Info menu, you'll see three options: Metadata, About, and Help. If you open the Metadata option, you'll get to see information about the data itself. So for example, under the File Properties tab, you'll get to see the path to the .mat file, how many bytes the file takes up, when it was created, when it was last modified, and various other information. In Sensor Info, you get information about each sensor on the device. In Channel Info, you get the names of the sensors for each subchannel, what they're measuring, their nominal sample rate, their minimum values and maximum values, and at what time these values occur. Device Info gives slightly more information about the SLAM stick that's being used and the IDE file that was recorded. And lastly, we have the Calibration tab, which gives the calibrations that were used for each channel and subchannel, the coefficients that were used for its calibration, the polynomial that was used, and in the cases of more complicated calibrations, the bivariate polynomial. And lastly, we have the Calibration tab, which gives us information about how each sensor was calibrated. So for example, here we have channel 32, subchannel 0, being the X acceleration, 16G. And we can see that it's calibrated with a univariate polynomial, coefficients specified here, and with a reduced polynomial as specified here. Some of the channels may have bivariate polynomials depending on the sensors that you have. If you go back to the Info drop-down menu, we have an About as well. If you click on that, an About window will appear. Here you can see the version of software you're currently running, information about your operating system, some basic contact information, and in the next tab, you have the list of software licenses, third-party software licenses that were used in building this software. Lastly, we have the Help option. When you click on this, a new tab will open in your default browser, web browser, and it will be directed to our help documents. As you can see, it takes us to our help center for the analyzer, and you're able to go through our documentation and see various helpful pieces of information and where you can find this video.